This is just a trailer, my friend. मगर पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है. So keep watching. Hello friends, welcome to the Style King Tanmoy. Friends, I am very excited because tomorrow I'll be visiting a very beautiful place, and I want to keep that place name a secret. I don't want to reveal the name right now. If you want to know about the place, then you have to watch the full video, and definitely I'll reveal the place name in the end section of the video. But friends, I want to ask you a question before you get into the video. I want to ask you a question, that have you subscribed my channel? Trust me, subscription is completely free. You don't need to pay a single penny for that, and I assure you that on this channel I am going to entertain you through my travel vlogs, through my daily vlogs. Okay, so if you want to be entertained by me, then please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get many travel vlogs which are coming shortly, and they are in pipeline. They are coming shortly. Friends, tomorrow we are going to have gala time. Surprise! We are going to have great fun, and I'll be showing you all the activities that we'll be doing throughout the journey. Okay, and definitely I'll put very nice voiceover in the video for your better understanding. That's it from my end. Please do watch the video till the end and share it with others if you like it, and do let me know your feedback. Do let me know if you would be able to guess the place name in between the video. Okay, so friends, we have started our journey early morning, and today we are very excited. Now see, we are having fun, we are having tea on the journey. So he is my friend Suresh ji. See, this is our car. We are traveling by this car, Innova. Me and my friend Shante. Shante is saying hi to everyone. See the high-rise building. They are just kissing the sky. Now we are traveling through a tunnel. That is why it is very dark. Look, I am not well versed with this place, so I don't know what is the name of this tunnel, but it is awesome. So now we are heading towards the destination, and you can see lots of greeneries, then mountains are there. Now we have entered into the industrial area of Lonavala. So we are very close to our destination. Our destination is RC village. So we are very close to that village. Just keep watching till the end. So guys, we have arrived at our destination. So we are halting at this place. This place belongs to Vittal Dada, and we are having our breakfast now. So Vittal Dada prepared poha for us, and Shante brought puri and chola for us. So now we are completely recharged. We are feeling very excited, energetic, because we completed our breakfast also, and we are heading towards the beautiful waterfall. You can see. So this waterfall is close by Vittal Dada's house. It's not very far from his house. See the view. Isn't it awesome?
মাছ ধরার চেষ্টা করো, মাছ ধরার চেষ্টা করো, মাছ ধরার চেষ্টা করো।
Shante is asking me to catch fish. Look, now my one and only friend Shante. She is into water and she is very happy. She is playing with water. She has gone back to her childhood days.
night when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
See guys, what masti we are doing. Okay. We are having a very great fun. Just great fun. See, it is so relaxing, it is so calming.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side.
যাবে না? চলে আসো। হাই।
Hi, kaisa? Maza aa raha hai na? Are you guys enjoying? Now please let me know. What is the name of this place? Are you able to identify this place? Please let us know in the comment section that what is the name of this place. Sante! Yay! Full masti, full maja.
मैं तो गीला गया हो गया।
मैंने कहा था ना, I told you already कि we will have lots of fun, we will have gala and gila both. So see, now we are gila and we are having gala. Hi friends, I hope that so far you have enjoyed this video, but let me tell you one thing, that I'll be bringing one more video on the same travel vlog, because we have made many videos through the journeys and we have explored many areas through the journey, but it is very difficult to combine all the videos in one video. Okay, it is next to impossible, then it will be too long, and I just don't want to make it very lengthy. That is why I thought, okay, let me bring part 1, part 2, part 3 of this particular travel vlog, and this is the part 1. This is the part 1 which you have already seen. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, then please comment on this video. Let me know how much interested you are to watch the next video, part 2 video. Okay, chalo bye.